Today we are going to talk about overview of the SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language used to communicate with the databases. It is the standard language for relational database management systems and is used to create, modify, and query databases. Here are some of the key concepts in SQL. Database. A database is a collection of data organized into tables. Table. A table is a collection of data organized into rows and columns. Each row represents a record and each column represents a field. Column. A column is a field in a table that stores a specific type of data. Example, name of an employee, age, address. Row. A row is a record in a table. It represents a single item or entity and contains data for each column in the table. SQL statement. An SQL statement is a command that is used to communicate with the database. There are several types of SQL statements, including select, insert, update, delete, and create. Here is a simple example of an SQL statement that retrieves all rows from a table called customers. Select star from the customer table. This statement retrieves all rows from the customer table that returns the data in the form of a result set. The asterisk is a wildcard that stands for all columns in the table. There are many more concepts and features in SQL, but this should give you a basic understanding of how it works. Thank you for watching.